Guardians, have you noticed how some things just happen on their own, like brushing your teeth or picking up your phone without thinking? That's the power and sometimes the trap of habits. Namaste Karyans, I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy, the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub, and you're listening to One Person Growth Every Day, that is the Vedic way. And you're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks. Today, let's see why habits become automatic and how you can make them work for you, not against you. Guardians, habits are your brain's way of saving energy. The more you repeat something, the less mental effort it takes. But here is the catch, your brain does not know if a habit is good or bad. That's why we keep repeating actions that don't help us. So, what are the three simple baby steps for 1% growth? Point number one, awareness, spriti. That is, notice your habits without judging them. Awareness is where change starts. Point number two, conscious substitution. Replace one unhelpful habit with a tiny helpful action. Point number three, Sankalpa setting. Tie your new habit to your higher purpose so it's not just action, it's aligned action. Habits are your identity on report. When they are intentional, they run on autopilot to serve you, grow, and towards your growth every single day. Join me inside the KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub where we turn ancient wisdoms into modern success. Let's make your habits your superpower 1% at a time. And I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.